5 smart ways to make money online. You're watching this video because you want to make money online. My friend, you're in the right place to make this happen. Today we're going to show you a few of the following things: how to make money online, how much you can earn online, where to go to make money online, how to actually get paid when doing this work, how to make $100, $1,000, and even $5,000 a month online, how to make money while working a full-time job, and what it takes to make money online. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons to be sure not to miss any of our amazing content in the future. You can go ahead and get that done. I'll wait. Okay, let's get into it. So, there are no tricks here. We're not trying to sell you a $79 course or upsell you into a course. We're here to help people earn extra money. Did you know that the average person goes bankrupt over $58 a month? Well, really, that's it. It might seem sad, but the average person in the United States goes bankrupt over $58 a month. $58 turns into $140 to $180 in month 2, depending on late fees. 12 months later, you're $4,000 in debt. Then it really starts adding up. After 24 months, you're now almost $30,000 in debt. The interest and late fees start adding up. You can't make your bills. You can't even make the penalties and fees. It starts killing you a little bit each and every day. 2 years later, you file for bankruptcy. So what are we saying? We'll show you how to earn $100, $500, and $1,000 a month. If you're really good and push yourself, we don't see any reason that in 12 months you could be making $5,000 a month extra. Not promising anything, but we've taught many people to do this. The system is replaceable and works for everyone. You can be an introvert and make money online. You can be an extrovert and make money online. You don't have to be a genius, just put in the work. We will, however, ask you the following. We will ask you to put in a few extra hours each day, and we'll ask you to invest yourself. We'll ask you to take a risk. Take a risk on yourself. Is it easy to make money online? Yes and no. If you're wanting to make a quick $100 online, that's super simple. But there are 100+ easy ways to make money online. If you're wanting to make it consistently, it's pretty easy as well. If you're wanting to make an extra $1,000 a month consistently, that's going to take a bit more work, but it's 100% doable. Based on your goals, making thousands online is possible. Is it the right time to start an online business? Gig economy statistics. Yes, it is possible to make money online. Here are some of the statistics that prove that this is the time to get online and start your business. More than 1/3 of U.S. workers participate in the gig economy. That means close to 57 million Americans are making money online. More than 90% of Americans would consider freelancing or independent contract work. By 2023, more than half, 52% of the U.S. workforce will have joined the gig economy workers. Those that join the gig economy were looking to make money while achieving a better work-life balance. Most gig workers are baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials. Freelancers can typically earn a higher hourly rate with online gigs than if they became employees. There are hundreds of U.S. companies that are now hiring gig workers. The world is your oyster because there are even more companies around the world that also want to work with you. Here are 5 ways to make money online. You can join the ranks of those statistics by getting on board with the gig economy. Here's 5 ways to make that money. Some can even be earned as a side business or gig. Consulting. Consulting is a career that allows you to offer expert advice to others on a topic or niche that you know well. In this role, you typically help other business people with a problem they're struggling to address or solve. It's your advice and direction that can help those business people get the solution they need. Businesses are willing to pay consultants because they need the assistance or they want to get the problem solved faster. They would also like to work with someone who has experienced the same problem before and fixed it. That willingness to pay you means you can monetize your experiences and use them to help others. To be successful and differentiate yourself in the consulting environment, you'll need to select one niche rather than trying to be everything to everyone. That niche might be financial, HR, security, strategy, etc. Or it might be small business, health and wellness, retail, technology. Make sure you have the skills, know-how, and passion to drive success in that consulting area. We like www.tallmix.com. Check out the link below. Google AdSense. Google AdSense allows you to earn money by allowing others to use your website as a billboard. It's a passive stream of income that works and one that I have used on my various websites. Google AdSense matches ads to your website based on your niche content and type of visitors. The ads are created and paid for by advertisers who want to promote their products to your same audience. Advertisers pay different prices based on the type of ads they want to place on your website. To make it feel more seamless, you can customize the ads that appear on your site. Further options provide a way to also determine how many different ads, the frequency, and level of payment. It's also free to join AdSense, so that also ensures more money goes into your pocket. If you're still not sure, try the Google AdSense calculator, which will help you estimate what you can earn. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another incredible passive income stream, aka make money while you sleep. You make money when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales that are generated from your referrals. Typically, these referrals come through contact on your website. However, it's different than how Google AdSense works with a visual ad that appears on your site. Instead, affiliate marketing works through links that are placed within content on your website. It could be your blog or landing page content, for many types of partnerships that are aligned with attractive products and services that your audience may enjoy learning more about. Taking the time to research, measure, and track to ensure you are optimizing your efforts. We suggest starting with the Amazon affiliate program to get your feet wet. Podcasting. Podcasts are growing in popularity as more people enjoy listening to them while working, exercising, and commuting. Since they can be accessed through a laptop or mobile device, podcasts are a portable and convenient way to learn more, listen in on some compelling discussions, and just be entertained in different ways. They're easy to set up and offer through a wide range of podcasting directories or apps. Besides hosting a podcast, there are other ways to monetize this online job. You can add sponsors and advertising as well as affiliate marketing opportunities. Your podcast could be a way to channel many other online gigs, including courses, services, consulting, events, products, public speaking, and books and content. While you may not get the multi-million-dollar deal that Joe Rogan just received from Spotify, you can make money online with podcasts. Depending on how large you grow your audience and how many revenue streams you combine under your podcast moniker, you can make thousands to tens of thousands of dollars each month. Freelance writing. Companies need high-quality content in large amounts for their blogs, landing pages, website, and social media accounts. They also hire freelance writers for other projects like thought leadership articles, white papers, technical manuals, and help desk articles, scripts, and even speeches. Companies find that it helps to have different voices and styles to their content as well, so having a team of freelance writers provides a way to diversify that content. If you enjoy writing, you can find numerous online freelance websites that list gigs and projects with all types of companies. You may want to select a niche and specialize in that area, like an industry or business segment. It does help to know how to write different types of writing, like a blog post versus a social media post. Many freelance writing projects pay by the word, but others may prefer to do it by the hourly rate. On the lowest end of the pay scale are rates that come in under 10 cents a word. However, seasoned writers can make more than $1 per word on some assignments. Hourly rates often vary from minimum wage up to $100 per hour, depending on your experience and the company's budget. Look for clients that value your talent versus trying to do a massive amount of content for a cheap rate. Also understand that you have to work up to the higher rates as you gain experience. Look at sites like Guru, Indeed, Pangean, and more to find freelancing gig jobs. Also, companies and agencies are starting to hire more freelance writers than bring on full-time traditional employees to do the work. So, also check out the link to www.freelancer.com below. So, there you have it. 5 ways to earn money online from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you feel like you received some real value from this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and drop us a comment to let us know if we're serving you. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.